Introducing Truck Wings, an active aerodynamic cab-to-trailer system designed by California company Extreme. Formerly known as the Gap Gorilla, this game-changing invention could help reduce the $100 billion spent annually by the U.S. trucking industry. The gap between a truck and its trailer creates tremendous air resistance, requiring the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. Based on recent research studies indicating that reducing aerodynamic drag can contribute up to 12% in fuel savings, Truck Wings uses an automatic system designed to close that gap. Truck Wings incorporates folding panels attached to the rear sides and roof of the cab. When the truck reaches approximately 40 miles per hour, the panels automatically swing out to close the space between the cab and the trailer. This streamlines the airflow over the truck, giving it aerodynamic properties similar to a high-speed bullet train. The panels automatically retract at low speeds and during turns. In 2016, Extreme won the $50,000 first-place prize in the First Look West competition. With fuel costs rising, it won't be long before Truck Wings becomes more widely used. Check out the amazing Fleet Plows from Pennsylvania company Scraper Systems, North America's #1 snow removal machines for trucks and buses. Whether you own a single truck or bus an entire fleet, this is the last thing you'd want to see. With a Fleet Plow, this disaster will never happen. These safe and effective snow scrapers will get rid of that snow fast. First, position the vehicle so that the front of the trailer is just beneath the plow blade. Use the 2-button activator located in the control box to activate the system. This will lower the plow blade into place on the trailer's roof. The adjustable chain hoist can set the plow's height from 9 to 15 feet. Then, just drive forward at a moderate speed and say goodbye to that snow. The AccuGuide system keeps the rubber plow blade in perfect contact with the roof. Various portable and base-mounted Fleet Plows are available for trucks, with other models designed for buses. So don't let this happen. Get a Fleet Plow from Scraper Systems and breathe a little easier. This is the e-Highway from international corporation Siemens, an innovative solution for electrified road freight transport. Combining the efficiency of the railway with the flexibility of the roadway, the e-Highway provides relief from the pollutants emitted by diesel engines. While the prototype hybrid truck does include a combustion engine, an onboard electric motor allows for total electrical operation. The e-Highway system employs continuously powered electrical contact lines. Positioned above the roadway, these lines are used to transmit power to the hybrid trucks driving below. Initially, an onboard sensor determines if the traffic lane is equipped with a contact line. If so, the truck automatically raises an active electrical array called a pantograph. Once the pantograph is in full contact with the lines, power begins flowing to the truck's electric motor. The truck now operates on electricity alone. An onboard sensor keeps the truck properly aligned. Braking creates a reverse flow of electricity, which can be either returned to the system or used for battery charging. While the Siemens e-Highway may not be a workable solution everywhere, even a limited deployment will help improve the environment. Introducing the Samsung Safety Truck, a proposed innovation that allows vehicles driving behind a semi-truck's trailer to see right through it. When you find yourself behind a loaded semi-truck on the road, the restricted view of oncoming traffic can make passing it an extremely dangerous proposition. Because this highly unsafe maneuver has caused untold numbers of accidents on highways around the world, Samsung engineers in Argentina have developed a trailer that provides a clear view of the road ahead for those following behind. A camera mounted on the front of the truck captures the truck driver's view of the road and streams it to a large display on the rear of the trailer. With this transparent view, passing the truck becomes much safer. Made up of 4 weatherproof monitors, this display is also capable of displaying clear images during evening hours using night vision technology. As much as modern innovation has changed the lives of those living in our times, this technology could actually save lives. Though it's no longer being tested, this innovative system could be the first of similar developments in the years to come. Meet the Bison, an attractively sleek electric pickup truck from the Canadian-based Havelaar Group. With front and rear electric motors powering its 4-wheel independent 220 kilowatt drive systems, the Bison can reach 60 miles per hour in only 6 seconds. The prototype's 40 kilowatt battery pack is soon to be eclipsed by production models with optional 50 and 90 kilowatt batteries. Though electronically limited to 85 miles per hour, its 510 Newton meters of torque will definitely lay you back in your seat upon hitting the accelerator pedal. On a single charge, the 90 kilowatt version will have a 185-mile range, but even the smaller battery pack will take you up to 110 miles. The durable steel chassis and low center of gravity make the Bison perfect for roaming the rugged backcountry. Viewed on the interior touchscreen, its 9 cameras provide a full view of your surroundings. Also sporting a comfortable, well-appointed interior, the Bison could be the best-kept secret in the competitive electric pickup market. Check out the OptiFlow Tail, an innovative set of aerodynamic extensions for truck trailers from international commercial vehicle company Wabco. While other companies have introduced similar trailer extensions, the OptiFlow system is the first aerodynamic trailer tail offered in the US to feature automatic deployment and retraction. Using speed detection sensors linked to the Wabco trailer's anti-lock braking systems, the panels automatically deploy when the vehicle reaches 45 miles per hour. The OptiFlow tail streamlines the airflow over the trailer and maximizes fuel consumption. The panels automatically retract as the truck slows to 10 miles per hour. Made for trailers with swing-out doors, the OptiFlow tail improves general maneuverability while requiring no driver interaction. When used at highway speeds, the panels can result in a fuel savings of up to 4.3%. Optional trailer skirts can also be added, which can increase fuel savings to as much as 9%. For even more potential fuel savings, OptiFlow side wings are available in both long and short versions. For trucking companies looking to control expenses, the OptiFlow system can help optimize every mile driven. Presenting the Tesla Semi-Truck, an electric long hauler from Elon Musk and Tesla Motors. Stunningly beautiful inside and out. Both the Tesla Semi's high and low roof models are aerodynamically streamlined. True to company tradition, the Tesla Semi was recently unveiled in spectacular fashion at a lavish gala in front of a huge throng of invited guests. Though normally closed, the cab-to-trailer gap automatically opens for turns. This contributes to its low drag coefficient of only 0.36, which even surpasses the $2.7 million Bugatti Veyron supercar's air resistance of 0.38. More impressive still is its sports car-type acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 5 seconds when not pulling a load. Even with over 80,000 pounds in tow, the Tesla Semi reaches the same speed in only 20 seconds. On a 30-minute charge, this truck can cover 500 miles while fully loaded. Advanced driver assistance features include lane keeping and automatic emergency braking. With the Tesla Semi and other new electric long haulers now being produced, the future of trucking is right before our eyes. Now that the Tesla semi-truck has been officially announced, this incredible truck stands as a worthy challenger. Meet the beautifully streamlined ET1 from Los Angeles company Thor. With its totally electric power plant, the Thor ET1 is capable of providing torque at 0 RPM. Its 300-mile range applies even when pulling its maximum load of 80,000 pounds. Top speed is rated at 70 miles per hour. Like the Tesla Semi, the ET1's relatively modest range means that it's engineered for mostly short hauls, possibly because its famous competitor already has an extended range version. Thor plans to develop that option for the ET1 as well. As an electric vehicle, the ET1 creates no harmful emissions. It's also claimed to be 60% cheaper to maintain per mile than a diesel semi-truck. The ET1 prototype was conceived, designed, and funded by co-founders Dakota Semler and Gio Sordoni, who are currently seeking additional investors. Release to the public is planned for 2019.